Ranked first in Europe as the most active industrial developer on the continent, Panattoni Europe currently boasts an over 6.7 million square metre platform of properties. The team to which the company owes this success consists of 300 people from 6 countries. One of the biggest milestones for the company was the opening of operations in the UK in 2018. Panattoni Europe undertook an aggressive spec development programme in the UK. Nearly a year on after the merger with Panattoni Europe and First Industrial, Panattoni has now over £600 million of development committed to building in the UK, with a strong list of projects in the pipeline. This national e-commerce centre for Marks & Spencer is located near the heart of the national motorway network in England. The building includes a 1.2 million square foot 5-floor mezzanine and the largest solar roof in the UK, at its peak generating 6 megawatts of electricity. The investment will provide a new rail freight terminal. Crewe 240 is located close to junction 16 of the M6 motorway and to the main railway line on the western side of England. The speculatively built unit will benefit from a 50-metre yard and 15-metre haunch height. Crewe is the home of Bentley cars. Panattoni Park Northampton is a major new logistics scheme in the UK's logistics Golden Triangle. The scheme is adjacent to junction 16 of the M1 motorway. All buildings will benefit from 50-metre service yards. Wolverhampton 450 is close to junction 12 of the M6 motorway. This cross-docked warehouse is equipped with 60 dock levelers and yards of up to 98 metres. Practical completion will be reached in the 4th quarter of 2018. Panattoni Park Nottingham is close to junction 26 of the M1 motorway, a strategically important location. This is a redevelopment of an open cast mine requiring complex ground solutions, including 36-metre deep steel piles. In Germany by late 2019, Panattoni plans to acquire sites with a total area of approximately 1 million square metres in top logistics regions. Panattoni Europe has built a tailored logistics centre on the outskirts of Stuttgart with approximately 13,700 square metres of warehousing and 700 square metres of office space for the automotive supplier CZECH, a worldwide leading technology group in the fields of driveline and chassis technology, as well as active and passive safety technology. In May 2018, a new logistics facility was opened for the multi-channel sport outfitters 21 Sports Group in the Rhine-Neckar metropolitan region. The facility was designed according to the requirements of the tenant and has a hall space of 30,500 square metres, office and social space of over 2,300 square metres, and a 2,300 square metre mezzanine. The customised design also allows for the possibility of third-party use. Performing for their new customer BP Castrol, the Neupel Group was in need of a logistics centre with good traffic connections and multifunctional space. Within only 8 months, a high-quality logistics centre in the vicinity of Hamburg-Bremen with 41,000 square metres of warehousing space and approximately 1,000 square metres of office space was delivered. Neupel is now succeeding in warehousing, order picking and distribution services and has created about 100 new jobs for the area. For the 3rd time in a row, Panattoni Europe has built a 23,300 square metre logistics space for the BLG Logistics Group near Berlin. The new facility will serve mainly to supply the production lines of the Siemens gas turbine factory in Berlin-Moabit and its plant in Berlin-Siemensstadt. Czech Republic Panattoni Europe signed contracts with various investors in the first half of this year to build 500,000 square metres of modern industrial space. The company confirmed its position as the most active industrial developer in the Czech Republic, putting emphasis on revitalising brownfields and sustainable development. Long-term cooperation with the global market leader in the logistics industry, DHL, was crowned this year by constructing a 29,000 square metre distribution centre in Heb for Estée Lauder. The building was designed according to DHL's long-term plans and the Go Green program, and has achieved the highest BREEAM certification level, Excellent. A unique distribution center for the Chinese online store has been constructed at Panattoni Park Prague Airport 2. On 25,000 square meters of premises, goods will be distributed across Europe and reversely from Europe to China. Owing to the size and length of the lease contract, it has also been established as the biggest transaction concluded on the Czech market in 2018. Panattoni Czech team has started a new chapter by commencing the construction of 25,000 square meters in Brno city. Owing to the close proximity of Brno International Airport and the D1 highway connecting Prague, Brno and Ostrava, the location is considered as being the second hottest industrial market in Czechia. Already 2/3 of the building has been leased to future tenants, which shall start their operations by the end of this year. Poland has witnessed enormous growth in the industrial real estate sector, with Panattoni having delivered over 1.3 million square meters of warehouse space alone in 2017. Currently, with over 1.2 million under construction, the company leases space and delivers ever more tailored properties to e-commerce companies in all regions of Poland. The largest logistics complex in Poland can already boast 3 big-box investments for such renowned clients like CZECH, Media Expert, Whirlpool and the Bosch Group. The hub is situated right next to the A1 and just 30 kilometers away from the A1 and A2 intersections. The first to be completed was a large-scale logistics center for BSH, part of the Bosch Group, a 79,000 square meter BTS facility with its own railway siding. The official opening of the facility took place on the 5th of April, and the ceremony was attended by representatives of the 2 companies, as well as local and regional authorities. Currently under construction is the largest 3-story warehouse building in Poland, with a height of 24 meters. Located in Upper Silesia, it encompasses over 200,000 square meters of space, including an 8,000 square meter office, with the completion date scheduled for the second quarter of 2019. It will be one of the most technologically advanced facilities in Europe. Following the announcement of the City Logistics Parks concept, Panattoni commenced the construction of 4 such projects in Poland. City Logistics Warsaw 1, located in the Belany district, has already gained a big client. Frisco.pl, the online supermarket, which will take up to 11,000 square meters, will be able to at least quadruple the volume of customers served. Fresh products will be stored in 4 different temperature zones. The entire facility will be fitted with LED lighting. The cornerstone event took place in July. Frisco.pl and another tenant, KGL Group, a manufacturer of food packaging, joined the developer and municipal authorities in inaugurating construction works on the project. Panattoni Park Szczecin 1 is the developer's first project in the Szczecin area, undertaken in response to a growing interest in the region from investors. The logistics centre in Szczecin comprises 5 A-class warehouse buildings, totaling 112,000 square meters. Companies such as DHL and PS AB, a Swedish e-commerce company, have leased significant warehouse units here. Panattoni Park Zielona Góra is at completion and comprises 4 facilities at full build-out totaling 75,000 square meters, which lie in the direct vicinity of the Lubuski Industrial and Technological Park. One of the biggest tenants is Expondo Polska, a leading online store with industrial equipment. The company has leased approximately 30,000 square meters. Parts of the facility will be dedicated to photo and video studios for the online store. AXA Stenman Poland is a leading European supplier of security products for homes and bikes. AXA's manufacturing plant in CZECH was built in the Katowice Special Economic Zone. It is expected to create about 200 jobs. At present, the building takes up more than 14,000 square meters, of which more than 12,000 square meters constitutes production and warehouse space. Ontex is the 5th largest producer of personal hygiene products in the world. The building for Ontex in Radomsko was built on an 11-hectare site in the Łódź Special Economic Zone, and the total investment into the construction amounted to approximately 100 million Polish zlotys. At present, it employs 170 people and can be extended by another 50,000 square meters, increasing the total headcount to 350 people. Panattoni Europe is currently developing over 1.6 million square meters of industrial space in Europe, with e-commerce being the main driver of new warehouse stock and additionally being backed by positive capital market sentiment. The coming years are bound to be successful and record-breaking.